So welcome back office executives. In this particular video I'll be showing you that how to insert some blank rows in Excel. Now what we can do is that we can click on this particular row 7 and then right click, and then here we can click on this insert. Only one row will be inserted. Now what if we want to insert 4 or maybe 5 or maybe 6 rows all at once without using this insert option again and again? The simplest way is to using a shortcut key, which is selecting this particular range of cells, then going to the corner until and unless the autofill kind of cursor comes up, then press while pressing and holding down shift key. I'm repeating, while pressing and holding down shift keys, drag all the way across to one row, two row, three row, or maybe four rows, and then release the left click and then shift. That's how you can insert. Let's try it out for the column as well. So maybe this range of columns B, and I'll be going in this range of columns, then shift key 1 2. No, it didn't work, maybe because there are columns as well below it. So let me make the screen a little bit smaller and let's try it out for column as well. So I inserted rows. Let's select this range of cells. Fine. So I'll be going to the corner and then pressing and holding down shift key 1 2. Now it's not working as well for the column, but it is working as well for the rows. Maybe you can try as well for the columns using this particular trick, pressing and holding down shift key, and let me know in the comment section how you achieved it, because I am not being able to do. So for rows, what I am doing is that I am selecting the range of cells and going to the column corner until the autofill cursor comes up. Then while pressing, whenever I am pressing shift key, the cursor changes. Then one row, two row, three row. How many? I mean, how many number of rows you want to insert, just click and drag all the way across to the down to insert the rows. But I was unable to do for the column. If you are being able to do for the column, let me know in the comment section how you achieved it, and my uh, knowledge gallery would get extended. I will be knowing a new way out, and I also will feel that you are getting a interest in the videos in which I am recording or I am being publishing in the YouTube. That's all for this particular video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.